Bathed in the golden light of dawn, these cows provide the luxurious milk essential for our premium skincare.
Water pressure looks good here.
Yeah, and the feeding stations are fully stocked. Ándale, ándale, vamos. Sigan derecho.
Sigan adelante. Abran la puerta, por favor.
Gait is steady and even.
Confirmed, no signs of lameness. Respiration is calm.
Check number 34, she seems a little warm.
Yes.
Pulling up her history now, the ear tag confirms her identity.
Right eye clear, coat condition is excellent. Let's note the slight ear flick. Confirmed. Eye check, coat, and minor movement logged.
Okay, tag 1847 confirmed. Records match the animal.
They are clear for sanitation. Walking patterns are excellent across the board. Confirmed.
Okay, I'm done scrubbing this side. All right, I'll rinse it down now. Looks good, ready for the machine.
Clean and dry.
Make sure you get behind the rear quarters. That's perfect, nice job. We just make sure the alignment is perfect before the vacuum engages. Easy, girl.
The flow rate on meter 3 is stable. Confirmed. We are cleared for transfer to silo 5.
Temperature is stable at 3 degrees Celsius. Noted. Flow rate looks good too.
The fat content is right within the acceptable range.
Good. I'll log this batch as approved.
The thermal reading here is slightly elevated. It's within tolerance for the current volume, but let's monitor it closely for the cream separation phase.
The flow rate looks steady. Yeah, running perfectly within parameters.
The temperature is holding steady at 20 degrees.
Good, log that before the next phase. Temperature is holding steady at 42.
Yep. Okay.
Flow rate looks good. I'm bringing the pressure down slightly.
The temperature spiked here at 72 degrees.
Yes, but it quickly stabilized within the safe zone. The flow rate is consistent.
Consistency looks spot on.
Yes, it meets the specifications. I'll update the report.
The mixture looks perfectly uniform now.
Yes, the vortex is stable. We can prepare for the next phase.
We need to verify the viscosity levels before the next stage.
I've already checked the specs. They are within tolerance.
Almost done with the lipid phase. Okay, seal it up when you're finished. The viscosity looks good. The viscosity is stabilizing right on schedule.
Yes, the data confirms uniformity. We are good to proceed.
The data looks promising. We are ready for the stabilization phase. Confirmed. The texture refinement is complete.
The stability readings look good. We are clear for quality approval on batch 7.
The results confirm consistency across all parameters for this batch.
Excellent. We can move forward with the approval process.
The samples meet all specifications. Good. The batch is approved for filling.
Incoming shipments are carefully checked by the team to ensure the highest standards of cleanliness and quality before the filling process begins.
Check the readout on the panel. The flow rate is steady.
Looks good. We are clear for filling.
Check the alignment on this one. It feels loose.
Okay, tight now. All green on the panel, ready for run.
I've double-checked the count on this one.
Okay, the scanner confirms it. Approved.
Barcode verified.
Packaging secure. Final approval granted.
This pallet goes to aisle 7.
And these are ready for the conveyor belt.
The schedule says this stack goes to the staging area in Zone 3. We're running tight on time. All right, I'll get it there. We're clear on the manifest, but this pallet here needs rerouting.
I just updated it. Send it to Bay 4. Bring that pallet right here next to the blue ones. We need to clear the ramp.
Everything matches the manifest. Seals are secure. Confirmed. All units scanned. We are clear for transport.
Okay, these match the manifest. We need to move the rest to aisle 5.
Got it. I'll grab the next one.
perfect, doesn't it?
Absolutely. The new spotlights really make the gold lids pop.
Have you tried this brand before? They say it's very hydrating.
I haven't, but the reviews for this serum are amazing.